In this guide, I'll show you how to fix high ping and lag in Valorant on the Xbox Series S or X. So the first thing I recommend you do is while you're in game, press start on your controller and you want to go to settings. Then what you want to do is scroll on over at the top until you're at stats, and you want to turn on network RTT showing both, as well as packet loss, you want it on show both as well. Now when you go back to your game, you'll see in the top right corner what your current ping is, as well as if you're experiencing any packet loss, and you'll also see that on the right side of your screen. So if your ping is way higher than expected, the first thing I recommend you do is to back out of your game. So once you're in the play lobby, what you want to do is have a look on the left sidebar, and you want to ensure that for server, it's either on automatic, which is optimal, or that you select a server that has the lowest ping available based on your location. Then what you want to do is press the X button on your controller, and we're going to go to home. And then you want to go to the settings cogwheel in the top right corner. From here, you want to scroll over from general, and we're going to go to network settings. And then you want to test your network speed and statistics. Now, if you notice that your download speed or upload speed or latency are higher than expected, what I recommend you do is unplug the power cable from your home network for 30 to 60 seconds. And then you want to go ahead and plug it all back in. And then you want to reconnect to your internet on your Xbox and test your network speed again to see if it improves. In addition to that, using a wired connection is going to ensure that you're going to get the fastest, most stable speed for your connection, as well as decreasing the number of devices using your internet. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.